In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily import data from Go2lister, like your list price, your min-max price, even your buy cost into Bqool super easily. So I'm going to pass this off to Sam. Big shout out to Bqool and Sam for doing this. Sam, take it away.
Once we have this, let's say I can press on download here, and this will download all of this content from this batch here. And it looks like here. It looks like this. So we could see we have the list price per item based on smart pricing that you mentioned, which we're going to paste into the min price. And then we also have the cost of the item here, as well as the MSQ. So in the Bqool side, all you have to do, there's two places. Once you use Go2lister and you've listed these products on Amazon, it would automatically pull all of the listings that are active from Amazon Seller Central into Bqool into the active listing tab. So here you can press on download. You can press download listings. That's one place that you can get that report. The other place is you can go to the upload file, and then here you could be able to do a blank template if you want to import the cost, also the min-max price if you set that up inside Go2lister, as well as if you also have other costs that you have. So here, we can see that in this column here, we have the cost here. So I'm going to select the cost here. I've actually imported the active listing file already into my Google Sheets. And here, I just click on the active listing file here. And then so for the channel here, we're going to select US right here as standard. So we're going to do that for here. And then for the seller SKU, I'm going here. I'm copying the seller SKU here. So this is the SKU that I got from Go2lister, and I'm pasting it in right here. Okay, so I'm going to delete that. And then for your price, it's very interesting, but your price is actually the price that you listed it using smart pricing. But in our case here, we're going to also, we can use another template to import the min and max, which is a different template, which is the repricing central template. It's the second template here, the repricing central file. So you could also use that file as well if you want to set the min price as the active, as the price that you've set using smart pricing. But in our example here, we're just going to use the active listing to make things simple. And then all I have to do is just to have this field filled out, this field filled out, and then I'm going to put your price, and I'm putting the cost as well, because a lot of people, they want to know the cost. So this is the cost per item. I select the cost per item here, and I paste it in here. And then if I have additional shipping costs, if I'm doing FBM shipping as well, I can put those costs here. If I have additional costs such as prep center, if I use a prep center, I probably have to pay $1, maybe $1.20 for that as well. And I could also group them. I could set them as a specific group. So right inside Bqool, they're going to be in a group already, and I could easily find those books and reprice them. And inside Bqool, you can see a real cool feature here. You could also buy different conditions as well. So if you're doing books as well. So I could easily import that in by uploading the active listing file, and this would give me all of my cost. It would fill up my cost column, and then I could set my min and max like that. I could also put the min and max from Go2lister if I decide to use the smart pricing, if I decide to use your price, if I decide to use the list per price, which smart pricing has done, as my min price. Then I'll use a different template, which is the repricing central template. So we could do that. And if there's a lot of interest, we could definitely make a video for everyone. So comment make sure that if you want us to do this, make sure to do that. So that's a great walkthrough of the Go2list software.